good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about this really dope preset inside Patcher, so let's get right into it. So if you go onto your master or in one of your inserts, we're just going to throw it on the master. We're going to put Patcher in here. All right, and then we're going to go up into presets. Then we're going to look for this. It says Parallax. All right, this is pretty cool, all right. This gives you a bunch of different built-in effects. So we got hall reverb, room reverb, you got your chorus, delay, overdrive, and distortion. And then you got a high pass and low pass knob for each one of those, as well as resonance for each one of those high pass and low pass knobs. And then you got the level, so you can mix each one of those effects in. You also have a dry slider and a wet slider, so you can mix in the wet effect with the dry and vice versa. Now this definitely reminds me of some RC20 kind of effects. It's not on the same level, but it definitely gives you some sauce on your sounds. So I have this piano here. Let's play it without Patcher on. Just some minor or major seventh chords that I threw in, nothing crazy. So we're just going to actually go into Patcher and start manipulating it. I forgot to mention, you also have some panning knobs up here for each one of the effects, so you can pan the effect left or right. We could do something like this and pan each effect differently just to see how it sounds. Yeah, it's pretty dope because it's just built in, like just in the presets. You can add some serious sauce to your sound. So give this a try and let me know how it works for you. That's pretty much it though. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.